how to connect Shopify with eBay. So let's get started. Now, how important it is to connect or import your eBay listings to your Shopify store. Using a partner app from the Shopify App Store, you may import eBay listings into your Shopify store. To do that, you just have to go to Shopify App Store and then go to the search bar and type eBay. Okay, so you just have to go to this area and then type eBay. Now, once you found that here, on your Shopify App Store, all you have to do is to install that application, authorize this application to be installed on your Shopify store. Now, here's the thing, some of the countries and regions, they cannot, including my country, we cannot install this eBay. And I don't know, maybe that's part of eBay's terms and policy. So, just in case you cannot see that application on your Shopify App Store, then you must do the following steps that I'm going to show you. But let me clarify that if you see that eBay right here, all you have to do is to install because this one is the easiest way. You just have to connect this one and then explore because once the eBay is installed in your Shopify App Store, then everything will be synced. Okay, so that's it. Now, if you can't see that eBay, like what I've mentioned earlier, then let's do this integration. So, like what I've mentioned earlier, you just have to go to your Shopify App Store. And then here you have to look for Zapier integration. So you just have to type it right here. So by the way, it's Zapier. It's single P. So this one, you just have to click this one here, Zapier workflow integration or automation. Tap this one. And then you just have to see that button that says install. Click this one. And then after you click this, you need to install the application again because it needs authorization. So you have to go to this part, look for this install app. Okay, you can read the instruction if you want to. Okay, click install application and wait for a couple of seconds. And then now you can start free with Google or start free with email. So you can just choose from any of this. So let me start with my Google account. You just have to select that account that you wanted to use for this integration. Okay, so and now that you're finished with that, you can also go to your Zapier. If you haven't created an account yet, then you just have to simply go to Zapier, sign up, and they will just need your email address and then your password, or you can just simply sign up using your Google account. Okay, so by the way, this is what it looks like. As you can see, create a Zap. And all you have to do here is to simply type eBay and Shopify. So actually, if you want to integrate or automate two applications or more, you just have to simply type that here because they will suggest a Zap for you. Okay, so if you like to try this one, then you just have to click try it and it will take you directly to that automation. So this is what it looks like. But this time, let's do this Shopify and eBay. So if you go back to this create a Zap, you have to make sure that you type eBay and Shopify and then press enter. Then they will suggest a Zap for you. Okay. And all you have to do is to wait for a couple of seconds and here it is. Okay. Now tap try it. Then you will see the result. But if you want to add another application again, you just have to enter the name of that application here. So you have to try this one. Okay, so wait for a couple of minutes as it is processing. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So as you can see here, trigger when a new order is created in Shopify. Okay, and then number two, create the order in eBay. Okay, so all you have to do now is to simply sync your account on Shopify here in order for you to proceed with this automation. Also, you can sync your eBay account so that, the workflow is smooth. Now, this one is very important because it somehow help you to make your work easier. A few clicks, you can import eBay orders and listing in bulk with this Shopify apps for eBay. Many include automation, which is Zapier, Okay, one of this is Zapier, such as auto importing and syncing listings, which reduces friction for online merchants. So, to handle orders and inventory between the two sales channels, you may connect your Shopify store and eBay account using this, using Zapier automation. So, you can choose what trigger it is and what action. So, everything is up to you. So, for example, step one, new order for Shopify. And we have here step two, create a shipping fulfillment using eBay. Okay, number three, create shipping fulfillment using eBay. So if it's at this one here, then you can select this new order, new draft, and so on. Step two, you can choose create order, create another order using eBay. Step three, we have here choices like create order, find create order, something like that. So everything is up to you. And they have also other suggestions right here. Sync Shopify and orders that is a different automation. Okay, so once you're okay with this, like Sync Shopify and eBay store, which is really our tutorial, then you just have to simply try it and you can just change the settings or this orders or modify everything later. But this is what it looks like when a new order is created in Shopify. So action, filter out orders with specific tags. You can rename this one. And then action number three, format in the order details or eBay, and you can rename this one here. So once you're done with this, then all you have to do is to click this one. Okay, so sync your account in Shopify. Okay, so you can choose the account that you want and then enter some information that they need. Okay, so what event do you like to start? So you just have to simply choose from any of this here. So they have given you some samples, and this one is required in order for you to proceed with this automation. Okay, so just click from any of this here. And then we have here tap continue. And of course, I cannot because I have to sync in my Shopify account here. So once you have sync in your Shopify account, then you can just, go on with this automation. So once you have signed in your Shopify account, create a trigger and then also create an event or action, then I'm going to tell you the importance of this automation or integration. Okay, so eBay connection is a two-way integration that allows listing and synchronizing offers in addition to downloading orders from the marketplace to the base linker panel. You can utilize the warehouse for your store, the base linker warehouse, a wholesaler, or an external ERP system to list. eBay orders can be sent to the store or manage the base linker order manage. Now the question is, how does this Zapier work? Okay, so we have already synced eBay and Shopify stores. So Zaps, which are automatically formed links between apps, may be set up in a matter of minutes without requiring any coding knowledge. Just what I have shown you earlier about the syncing of eBay and Shopify store. So here, the simplest thing to say is that you must know your trigger, you must know your action in order for you to do this automation. Trigger, for example, when a new order is created in Shopify, you will be notified for that. And then once a new order is created in Shopify, then it must create the order in eBay. Okay, so that's it. Now, that's how simple it is. You must know also your actions. You must know the automation flow in order for your Shopify store and eBay connect to each other. So this is what it looks like. And once you're okay with everything here, once you're done with the automation, then all you have to do is to click publish. And that's how easy it is. But again, if you can install your eBay to your Shopify store, it would be easier, but it has the same flow. Okay, so don't worry about it. And that's it. So if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.